Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler brake pads, full guide. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and using wheel chocks for safety. Gather a jack stands, a lug wrench, C-clamp, new pads, and gloves before you begin. Wear safety glasses and work gloves, and never rely on the jack alone to support the vehicle. Follow torque specs, inspect rotors, and test brakes carefully after reassembly. We'll walk through each tool and prep step so you feel confident and safe. Lay out your tools, check pad fit, and review manufacturer torque values before lifting the vehicle. Use quality jack stands and keep a clean workspace to reduce mistakes. I'll describe how to identify uneven wear, contaminated pads, and when to replace rotors. Take your time, ask a friend for help when needed, and double-check wheel torque at the end. Lift the Jeep, remove the wheel, and inspect the caliper and rotor carefully. Compress the caliper piston, remove old pads, and clean the bracket and slides thoroughly. Install new pads with proper orientation, reassemble hardware, and torque lug nuts to spec. Pump the brake pedal to seat pads and check fluid level, topping off if necessary. Perform a cautious test drive with gentle stops to confirm braking performance and absence of noises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.